Hi, this is Andy Brook. Today I'm going to show you the integration between Jira Service Desk and Gem for email creation of Service Desk tickets. I've just created an example ticket here as a registered Jira user. It's listed here. The thing that differentiates Service Desk tickets from standard Jira issues is the existence of a particular custom field with a particular value. And if you create a Service Desk ticket through the UI, it gets tagged with an appropriate indicator against the custom request type field. So the trick is to set that up. First of all, how did I make this appear? Because by default that won't appear. If you go to your custom fields and edit the screens for the customer request type and just tag the default screen, and when you create an issue through the service desk you will then see that value. Where it's used is in Gem. There's a custom field default in your profile and you can just set it to that value such that any emails that come into Gem will be created with that particular value. You can also use this value key value pair in project mappings, which are something else, enabling routing of email to particular projects. So in this example I have a test case from the email address of the other user, this one over here, and if I run that it creates an issue. Again, by default some certain fields won't appear. Gem uses a custom field for storing email addresses. You won't see that because this is a Jira user, but if I now flip over here, F5, and we get the email created, issue listed and nicely registered. That's great. What about anonymous non-Jira users? Well, same thing applies. We have another test case. And if I run this one, then roughly the same process occurs. We'll get a new issue. The only difference is this time it's using a proxy user for the reporter, and we create the actual reporter's email address in a custom field. This is the field that doesn't appear by default, and you need to add particular fields like reporter email, which is configured in your reporter email in your profile. So you can see who you're as a service desk person. Where is it? So as a service desk person you can add the, or it's not quite showing, triage. Here we go. It's not quite fitting on the screen, but you can see the right column by adding it. So you can see who your Jira people are, if they're reporters, or non-Jira users if they're external. And that pretty much is it.